Today is a special day for me. After months of planning, filming, editing, and building, my Applied 365 wellness community is officially live. This isn't just another fitness program. This is everything I've learned through one of the hardest seasons of my life, all in one place. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know my story. A couple years ago, I was diagnosed with kidney disease. My kidneys failed and I ended up on dialysis. I remember being scared and confused and wondering if my life would ever be normal again. But instead of giving up, I decided to learn everything I could about nutrition, exercise, recovery, and building healthier habits. Every single day I made small improvements. I changed how I ate, I stayed active, and I stayed consistent. Over time, those small decisions completely changed my life. Today, my kidney function has improved, I'm off dialysis, and I'm healthier than I've ever been in years. That journey changed me forever. So why did I create this? Ever since sharing my story online, I receive messages every day. Chris, what do you eat? What should I eat if I'm at stage 3? What should I eat if I'm on dialysis? I realized it was pretty tough to answer everybody's questions individually. So instead of sending random messages, I built a place where everything is organized. One community, one system. One place where people can learn, ask questions, and stay accountable. This is the Applied 365 community. You're gonna have your homepage, your classroom, with your courses and your lessons. You have your workout section, community feed, and the weekly Q&A calendar. Now as a member, you'll get step-by-step courses, kidney-friendly nutrition education, healthy recipes, workout programs, weekly coaching, accountability, and a community that's working towards healthier lives together. So who is this for? I built this community for anyone who's serious about improving their health. Or maybe you're living with kidney disease and looking for guidance from someone who's actually been through it. I don't promise quick fixes. I don't promise miracle diets. What I do promise is this. I'll show up, I'll coach you, I'll teach you everything I've learned. Because real results come from consistency. If you're ready to invest in your health, if you're tired of starting over every Monday, if you're finally ready to stay consistent, I'd love to have you inside the Applied 365 Wellness Community. Click the link in the description and come join us. As always, let's apply pressure. I'll see you inside.